At Edu Inc, we have a trading club. It's called JSE. We have an individual trading club and a group trading club. Basically, JSE is the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. It's a platform where we can exchange stocks, where businesses and companies go to exchange stocks or sell their stocks, and individuals or consumers decide to buy their stocks. And at Edu Inc, we're currently using the demo version, which is like little kids' fake money, but it's real money if you're working with it, because you are buying, you do have a specific limit, you do have equities, you do have like profits and losses, and that's all shown there when you trade. Yes. For the JSE, since we're in groups of 4, we are 3 groups if I'm correct. We have an FET phase and a junior phase, and junior we have 1 group, FET we have 2. But for me personally, JSE, I do JSE trading, and I do trade and I do buy stocks every 2 to 3 days, but I do check up on them. Like, they have times and slots where you can check up on them. So the best times to check up on them, I do check up on them quite often, yes.